Hi friends, welcome to Learn with Krishna Sandeep channel. So in this video, we are going to see one important Java program to find the number of occurrences of character in a string. So first, before going into the program, I just want to give one important update. So it's related to my Telegram channel. So Learn with Krishna Sandeep. So if you are coming for the first time, if you haven't joined this Telegram group, okay, go and search in the Telegram with Learn with Krishna Sandeep. Okay, otherwise I'll give the link in the description. Just click on that and you can join the group. So the benefit of joining this group is, if you see here, I'll be posting all the interview questions related to Java. Okay, so far I have posted more than 30 plus interview questions. So my target is 500 interview questions, and at the same time I'll post all the source code related to the programs which I have been explaining in this channel in this group. Okay, so this is a very important group. I mean, freshers and experienced people who are interested, they can join this group and learn all the Java related things. Okay, let's get started with the program. So find the number of occurrences of a character in the string. So given an input string, okay, hello world, we need to find out the number of occurrences of L. So if you have to find the number of occurrences of L, the output should be 3. So this is the problem, or this is the requirement. So how do we do that? So we'll find an important, okay, simple way. So what we'll do is, we'll first take the string. Okay, we'll take the string from the console and name it as hello world. I mean, okay, some str and hello world. Find out the initial length of the string. What is the initial length of the string? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the initial length is 11. So which occurrence you have to find out? L. Okay. So what you will do is replace, use the string replace method and replace L with empty. Okay. After replacing, how the string will look like? HEOWORD. Why? Because we are replacing L with empty. Now find out the string length. What is the string length here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now find out the difference between the initial length of the string and the length of the string after replacing space with empty. So 11 minus 8, which will give you, okay, 11 minus 8, which will give you 3. How much it will give you? 11 minus 8 will be 3. So this will be the number of occurrences of 3. Hope you got right. We'll take one more example and I'll explain. Okay. So let's say Java. Find out the length of the Java. How much length of Java is? 4. Now replace A with empty. Okay. After replacing, it will be like this. JB. And the number of characters will be 2. Okay. So after that, now what we need to do? We need to find out the number of occurrences of to A, right? So that is the reason I have replaced A with empty. Okay, so after replacing empty, the count is 2. Now finally find out the difference between 4 minus 2. Okay, 4 minus 2 will be how much? 2, which will be the number of occurrences of the string. You got right? So the logic is important here. So once if you understand the logic, writing the program is pretty simple. Let's go to the Eclipse and write the program. So first what we need to do, we need to take the string. Okay, let's take the string from the console. So how do we do that? First create a scanner object, scanner sc equal to new scanner of system.in. Okay. Now system.out.println, enter the string, and now what we need to do? We need to just say string str equal to sc dot next line. Okay, so str equal to sc dot next line. Now what we need to do? We need to find out the initial length. So how do you find out initial length? Just say str dot length, which will give you the initial length of the string. Now what we need to do? enter the character. I mean, now we have taken the string, whatever the string we need to take from the console we have taken. Now we need to find out the number of occurrences of character. Just create one more scanner object. Okay, just create one more scanner object, and now what we need to do is enter the string. Okay, we have said enter the string, enter the character to find the occurrence. Okay, enter the character to find the occurrence. Now just say sc1 dot next string str1. Now find out the length, final length. Int final length equal to str1 dot, sorry, not str1 dot length. What we need to do after getting the str1, we need to replace this character. So how do we do that? Just say str dot replace of what character we have to replace? The character which we have taken from the command console. With what we have to replace? Empty. Str dot replace of str1 comma empty. Now just say final length equal to str dot length. System dot out dot println final length equal to final length. Okay, don't say final length, we have find out the final length as well. So just say that total number of occurrences of character and then what we need to say here? Plus str1 plus, here what we need to give? Initial length minus final length. Okay, so what we need to do? First we'll take the string and then we'll find the length. Now we'll take one more string which we have to find the occurrences, and then we'll replace that string with empty and then find out the string length again. And for at last what we'll do? We'll find out the difference. Let's run the program and see the output. Enter the string, just say hello. Enter the character to find the occurrence, LL. Okay, so we need to find out the number of occurrences in the L, in this string hello, number of occurrence of L. The output should be 2. If you see, output is 2. Okay, just say here, just give some space here. Okay, now again run the program and see the output. Enter the string and now say Java. Now you need to find the number of occurrences of A. So how do we do that? So just just enter the A. So here what we are trying to do, we are replacing A with empty and we are finding out the length of the string, and we will subtract the initial length minus final length to get the number of characters. So if you see, number of occurrence of character A is 2. Let's see one more output. I mean one more. Enter the string hello Java. So here we have to find the number of occurrences of E. So enter the character to find the occurrence E. The output should be how much? E. There is only one occurrence of E here. You see the number of occurrence of character is E equal to 1. So hope you understand the program. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell symbol to get the notifications. Thanks for watching my video.